time machine in Forecast Bar lets you take a look at the weather in the far past or even into the future. Let's take a look at what conditions were in Cupertino about 20 years ago. To do so, we'll scroll down to the bottom of the forecast and select Open Time Machine. Here we can choose a date. Let's pick something 20 years back and then choose Select. These were the actual observed conditions back on April 24th in the year 2000. But let's take a look at what's going to potentially happen in the future. We can go pull a forecast for 2030. This is a prediction based on machine learning models for what the weather will be at this time. I can always return to today's weather just by tapping Today in the top right here. This is a great way to view weather for times and places that are significant to you, like your birthday, or even for planning trips and weddings in the future to try to understand seasonal impact on weather in various locations. It's not always going to be perfect 10 years out, but it might give you a great idea of what to expect.